spite of our difficult time here in Brazil,
Yeah, this bearish market.
yeah, we have some opportunities for investors who want to have Brazil as a second option. What are these options?
I wouldn't say that's even a second option. It's a very interesting option now. I mean, we have particularly depreciation on the dollar in the last few months, and many opportunities are up for grabs for investors who want to take the risk of Brazil. Brazil is a drought in its cycle. I mean, we have several macroeconomic bad conditions, but at the same time, it's interesting for going forward much better situation. That means that if you buy at this particular moment an income-producing asset on a sale-leaseback situation, for example, or just buy an asset which is empty and run the risk of vacancy and work to lease it back, you can have a very good capital appreciation in the long term.
And where are the options in Brazil to those international clients?
Yeah, in general, investors have come to us, international investors have come to us looking for income-producing assets, which are at this moment yielding something like 10-12% real interest, which is very, very particular to our market. In the moment in which you have almost zero interest elsewhere in the world, having an 8-10% cap rate would be very enticing. This is one thing, income-producing assets. Income-producing assets can be either in industrial or in office, but they are more prevalent in industrial. The other thing that investors are looking at this particular moment are very well located assets, typically AA office assets, which may be empty or not. If they are empty, which is the case in some situations, many times you are buying them below replacement cost, which is also another added bonus. You have to keep in mind that constructing in the places like São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro are not simple in nature. There's a lot of constraints for new constructions, and therefore there's a natural barrier to entry. If you enter at this particular moment, even and on top of that, below replacement cost, chances are that you are going to make a very decent capital appreciation in the long run.
So it's better for international clients to come to us and see what we have to advise.
Yes.
So if you want to have more information, call us and we have many professionals to advise you.